Since its establishment in 2006, Shenzhen MeiBiXi Electrical has focused on innovation in energy-saving air conditioning technology. Our company specializes in developing and manufacturing energy-saving products, including evaporative cooling air conditioners, industrial heat pumps, and commercial central air conditioning systems. Evaporative cooling air conditioners offer efficient cooling and significant energy savings, widely used in industrial and commercial settings. Industrial heat pumps ensure stable operation and energy efficiency, helping enterprises achieve sustainability goals. Commercial central air conditioning systems provide precise temperature control and excellent comfort for businesses. We invest heavily in R&D and product upgrades, maintaining long-term partnerships with industry leaders. Its products are sold in both domestic and international markets. MeiBiXi's production capabilities are supported by advanced equipment, high-precision welding, professional stamping, injection molding, CNC machining, leak detection, painting, and intelligent assembly lines ensure product quality. Large lifting equipment aids in commercial air conditioning installations. These sophisticated tools guarantee reliable, high-quality output, committed to innovation, quality, and energy efficiency. MeiBiXi continues to drive progress in the energy-saving air conditioning industry.